Hey, hey. Tiny.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Aisa if you're new, and I'm glad you stumbled upon this video. So today I'm coming to you guys with this nice little halo eye. This is my first time trying a halo eye, and I really like how it turned out. I like the color scheme. Yeah, I just really like this look, so I hope you guys enjoy it too. Yeah, so enjoy this little makeup tutorial. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below before the video starts. And yeah, we'll see you in our next video. Hey guys, so I hope you guys are ready for this tutorial. So obviously I'm going to be using my trusted MAC Prep+Prime primer as always. And just smoothing that into my skin. So next, as always, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream contour palette, and I'm going to be using that coral shade to basically just color correct my dark spots. My skin has been like going crazy lately, guys, but I've been working on it, so yeah, I'm just color correcting those dark spots. So now going back in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 340. So I mentioned in my previous video, I think, that this foundation is kind of too dark for me at the moment, but I have found an alternative, and I've been testing it, and so far it's been good. So yeah, I'm just applying this everywhere with my brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with my beauty blender as always. And of course, don't forget to blend that neck, guys, especially since this foundation isn't really my shade. I definitely have to blend that neck, because otherwise I might be looking crazy, okay? So now it's time to highlight and contour. So I'll be using that same palette and going in with that color Nude. I'm just going to highlight the normal areas I normally do. My forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow area, underneath my eyes, my chin, and underneath where my contour would normally be. And then I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender as always. So going back in that palette, I'm going to be using the chocolate color to contour, and I think this is like the perfect color because I felt like the other ones were kind of too dark for me. Well, right now anyways, because it's the winter, so like I feel like I've lost so much tan. But yeah, so I'm just contouring my cheekbones, my jawline, and my nose, and blending that with my beauty blender as always. So to set that highlight and contour, first the highlight, I'm going to be using that shade Macchiato and just setting all the areas I highlighted. And then I'm going to be using that shade Havana and just setting those areas I contoured. And I know guys, like, I really need to stock up on some shades in this palette, but it's been kind of hard finding the correct shades, especially the Havana. I know that it's kind of, I haven't found it yet, so we'll see. So now it's time to do my brows, and to do so I'm going to be using my NYX brow pencil. I forgot what it's called, but I know it's in the color Espresso, so I'm going to be using that and just kind of outlining the shape of my brows and then filling them in. And then of course I'm going to be also fixing them up with some concealer and the brush at the end. But if you guys want a more in-depth how I do my eyebrow tutorial, just let me know in the comments down below and I can definitely do that for you guys. Now on to my favorite part. I am going to be doing just prepping my eyelids with the same concealer I used to highlight, and I'm just putting that on my eyelids, and then after that I'm just going to kind of set that in with my beauty blender and just make sure or wait for it to dry. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Kylie, the Burgundy palette, and the first shade you see me using, I believe it is Beach, and I'm just going to use that in my crease to kind of have a transition color. Then I'm moving into the shade Naked, and I'm going to be putting that in my outer eye and my inner eye, because this is a halo eye, and it's my first time trying it, but I really love how it came out. So yeah, I'm just going to do that until the color is as vibrant as I want it to be. So I'm going to be going back into that concealer and just add some more in that area that will be kind of like the halo or the center piece. And I'm just going to add some more because I really want this look to pop. I really want that area to pop. So that's what you see me doing right now. And I'm also just fixing it a little bit. So now we're moving on to the start of the show, and that is the color Dubai. I'm just going to spray my brush with some setting spray and go ahead and pack that color onto my lid. Of course I waited for it to dry before adding this shade, but yeah, I really love how this look came out, guys. And of course I'm just going to keep blending it out and making sure everything is kind of uniform. So lastly, I'm going to go in with that color Penny and just use that as an inner ear or inner tear duct highlight, because yeah, I wanted my eyes to pop. And then for my mascara, I'm going to be using the same as usual. This is the Maybelline Colossal mascara. I'm actually running out, so I had to go and get a new one. But yeah, I'm just going to put that on my upper and lower lashes. Moving on, I'll be using the Duo blush. I always use this shade. I don't know, I just feel like it fits me so well. And then of course, as always, I'm going to be using my Carli Bybel highlighter or my Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to be using that golden highlighter and just highlight my cheekbones, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow area as always. Oh, and my forehead. Of course, I'm just going to spray and lock everything in with this Maybelline setting spray. I don't know the name, but it will be in the description. And then just making sure my lips are moisturized. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. This is volume 1. And the first shade you see me using is number 6. And I'm just going to use that on the outsides to line my lips. And then I'm going to finish off with the color number 3 and just put that on the inside. And yeah, I really love how this eye look and just this whole makeup look came out, guys. Comment down below if you like it too. I feel like this is very wearable, and yeah, I just really liked it. Okay, so guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it, because I just really love this video. Yeah, if you guys decide to recreate this look, please tag me on social media. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
What else? Your body go kill me. Up in the bomb, baby. Ram town. Now. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 1.